Cuitiva, a wonderful destination. If you want to travel to a quiet destination full of adventures, architecture, architecture and lots of water, Cuitiva is the best option. It is located in the department of Boyacá and it is easy to get there by public or private transportation. The most wonderful thing you can find is Lake Tota, where you can spend an afternoon there with your family. As a couple or alone, doing extreme sports, the warmest temperature is January with 16. The Central Park of Cuitiva and monuments. Duration of the trip. We have a travel plan of 3 days and 2 nights. You will arrive the first day at the Hotel El Arca de Noa, where your room will be waiting for you. After having settled in, you will go with a tour guide to the Central Park of Cuitiva, where you will see the church that was built in the last century. Then you can walk the streets of the town and enjoy its gastronomy. The second day, you will wake up with a beautiful view of the Lago de Tota. You will enjoy your breakfast and go on an adventure all day around the lake, practicing various sports, hiking, cycling, and extreme sports, the one you chose. You will have lunch nearby to the lake and you will end the day there. On the third and last day, we will go to Reserva Natural, Pueblito Antiguo, where you will enjoy the environment and listen to stories from the time of the grandfathers. Means of transportation. To get to Cuitiva, you can do it by private vehicle or public transport. During the trip, you can use bicycles, motorcycles, go on horseback, or by donkey to transport you through the town and around the lake. Activities to do. Day by day, you can do different activities. Start by getting to now the main park, eat there, go the cruise, and if it is January, enjoy the town festivities. Another day you have to go to the lake, do extreme sports, camp, hike, or use and enjoy the view. Then go the Reserva Natural Pueblito Antiguo. There you will find everything. Place to stay. You can stay at the Hotel El Arca de Noa. It has beautiful view, balconies, and private beach. You can also stay at La Quinta Glamping if you want to see nature and enjoy it. Typical foods. In Cuitíba you can eat the traditional food, cuchuco de espinazo, mazamorra, arepas, fritanga, boyacense, and drink guarapo and masato. You also find the cart dish. Cost. The cost for person for 3 days and 2 nights is 520,000 pesos. Breakfast include. Thank you.